Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 11, Bookkeeper. Earning potential, $18 to $100 an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who prefer to level up like a boss. Are you interested in finance? Do you have a personal budget that you love to manage? If so, consider bookkeeping. Most businesses need help in tracking and managing their finances. Bookkeepers perform tasks like recording income and expenses, invoicing clients, and preparing financial reports. If you have a knack for keeping spreadsheets and records organized, then becoming a bookkeeper might be a good job for you. You'll be an accountant for companies, individuals, or even other freelancers. Bookkeeping is a low-cost small business to start, because all you really need is a computer. Did you know entrepreneur named bookkeeping as one of the most profitable online small businesses? The next to nothing startup costs, and fairly low running costs, combined with a generous average hourly rate, help it in being linked with this coveted title. Freelance bookkeepers can often earn more than the average pay rate, mostly because freelancers can set their own rates. These bookkeepers also often work for multiple clients, so their combined pay per hour can be much greater than the set pay of an employee position. Even if you have absolutely zero professional bookkeeping experience, you can get started within this in-demand, high-paying, remote-friendly career path, as long as you're good with numbers and willing to learn as you go, especially since you will not be expected to advise organizations on financial records. To learn bookkeeping or brush up on the terminology, go to accountingcoach.com, which allows you to read up on each topic. Then take a quiz at the end to lock in what you've learned, all for free. Or you can also secure lifetime access to their video training, cheat sheets, and more, for as little as $49. It's recommended that you use bookkeeping software such as QuickBooks, Xero, Wave Accounting, Sage, or Free Agent, etc. These tools all do a good job of organizing your clients' finances, and are easy enough to learn if you have no previous experience with them. You could find your first online bookkeeping gig by reaching out to local businesses, setting up profiles on freelancing sites, and checking out sites like accountingdepartment.com, Indeed, and Upwork. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money. For a fraction of the effort, we share life-changing videos like these, each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe, so you don't miss out.